Hey guys, what's going on? It's Michael. This is going to be a little video on my exhaust because there have been a lot of comments on my last video asking me what does it sound like on the inside. So basically what my car has is a muffler and a resonator delete, and that's about it. I got new tips as well. They're about 4 inches, I think. I think they're 4 inches or 4.5 inches. But yeah, we're just going to start up the car. I'm actually using my friend Zach's camera right now, so he's going to ride along with me. I just got to start up the car real quick and then get him in here, and then we're going to go for a little drive so that way y'all can hear what it sounds like. Alright guys, so Zach just walked out, so we took a little break. He's behind me right now. I'm going to start up the car real quick so y'all can hear it. I'm going to let the RPMs get below 1,000 because I want y'all to hear the entire thing so that way, because it makes a bunch of different noises, but y'all will hear. So start it up. Music plays. I can kind of talk over it. It sounds like this most of the time. Just the cold start at least. It gets pretty quiet. It may not even be that loud. So the exhaust got quieter, but it's still idling about the same. About what was that, 1,250? Got a bug in here. So it's still idling the same, but it got really quiet. So, and now it's dropping down. All right. Go and get Zach. He's just standing out on the driveway right now. Alright guys, we're back. This is Zach. He's the guy with the camera, so he's gonna be riding along with us. He also is a car guy, so he's into it. He actually has a YouTube channel as well. The link's gonna be in the description. It's just Zach Hamill, right?
Yes, sir.
Just his name. So he has a few vlogs going, so make sure to go check those out. I'm in, I think, both of them. But yeah, so go check those out. And so yeah, we're just gonna do some regular driving right now, so that way you can hear like normal speeds, cruising, just all that stuff. So here we go. Alright, so we're cruising around 45 miles per hour right now. I mean, does it sound that loud to you?
No, it's quiet.
I doubt you could even hear it on the camera right now. I mean, I'm just cruising at 45. It's really not that loud.
Once it hits 6th gear, it's just silent.
I'm going to accelerate up to 55 gently. It gets a little bit louder. Just cruising, really nothing much. So if y'all are asking yourselves, is the drone terrible? Is it too loud? Is it something that you won't stand with throughout, like driving it? It's not bad at all. It's definitely livable. For a muffler and a resonator delete, this is honestly probably one of the quietest cars you'll find with that setup compared to like a V8. So we are going to do a little snippet with the windows down, just from the inside of the car so you can hear it. I know you already heard the outside if you watched the other video.
It's going to be really windy though.
Yeah, you may hear more wind than the actual exhaust.
We'll see.
sorry to hear it. It's really windy out today.
Yeah. The GoPros don't like wind.
Probably just wind. Probably can't even hear me. Alright, so we're kind of in a enclosed, I don't know, this street's not very busy. I've never seen a car on this street, so I'm gonna give y'all a little sport mode action from 0. I don't know how fast I'll get, but probably to a safe distance to where I can stop. But by the way, if you don't know, this is an automatic, it's not the manual, so I have sport mode and I have the paddles. So I'm basically just gonna go. Okay. Make sure no one's coming. Third gear.
I like how smooth the downshift is to first.
Be surprised. You actually kind of gotta get used to it, because it can throw you back.
Pretty good on the bed.
All right, so I want to give you all a little warm start so you can hear how quiet it really is whenever you start it up and it's not cold. I'm gonna let it idle for a little bit, probably not long because it's the same. It's idling. It's quiet. I doubt you can even hear it. AC is probably louder than that. So I want to give you all a little bit of revs from the inside. I know I gave it in my last video, so I figured I'd do it on the inside. Shouldn't be anything special. I'm just going to do it while I'm in park. About 2,500. About 3,500. You can hear little pops maybe a little bit. I talked over it then, but about 5K. And that was 6K. That was about where it limited me at. Alright guys, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to go watch Zach's vlogs and check out his channel. Make sure to also go watch my other video if you haven't seen it yet. I'm going to put the links in the description. Also follow me. I don't know if you can see a sticker on the back. Follow me on Instagram, 15 Ecoboost. I'll probably put the thing down below. But thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know, you know, what's up.